This video demonstrates how to install eSquare Studio and LLVM for RL78 Toolchain on Linux host. The software used in this demonstration are listed in the table. First, download the eSquare Studio. Please scan this QR code or go to the download page from the Renaissance website. Log into my Renaissance account. Click Downloads. And select the latest version of eSquare Studio Linux host. Click Accept and download. Open a terminal window. Change directory to the folder that eSquare Studio installer was downloaded. Enter Change Mode command to add execution permission to the installer. Enter command to run the eSquare Studio installer. Installation can continue even if internet connection is not available. Select the default installation folder, or click Change to select a new folder. After all preparations are complete, click Next. Select RL78 device family. And click Next. Select the required language packs and features. Select components. Select the required additional software. If internet connection is not available, additional software installation should be skipped for later installation. Accept the software agreement. Create shortcuts in the application launcher. Review the installation summary and click Install. Installation of eSquare Studio is complete. Next, download the latest version of LLVM for Renaissance RL78 Linux Toolchain. Please scan this QR code or go to the download page. Log into Download Toolchain. Open a terminal window. Change directory to the folder that Toolchain installer was downloaded. Enter Change Mode command to add execution permission to the installer. Run the LLVM for Renaissance RL78 Toolchain installer. The error "No such file or directory" may occur when running a 32-bit installer on 64-bit Ubuntu system. To solve this, add the i386 architecture. Then, install 3 library packages. Enter Y to continue the installation. Run the LLVM for Renaissance RL78 Toolchain installer again. Enter Y to continue installation. Installation of Toolchain is complete. libend 5 must be installed for the subsequent operations to work properly. Enter Y to continue installation. Next, integrate LLVM for Renaissance RL78 Toolchain in eSquare Studio. Run eSquare Studio. Click Browse to select a workspace. Warning message may pop up to warn no new toolchains are available for integration. Click OK. The toolchain can be integrated manually from the eSquare Studio menu. Go to Help. Add Renaissance toolchains. Click Add to add toolchain. Click Browse to select the toolchain path. Click OK after toolchain is found. Click Apply and Close to integrate it. LLVM for Renaissance RL78 project is created and built successfully. For more information, visit the eSquare Studio FAQ page.